Hey YouTube, this is Frank. We're gonna get this old buggy out of here. The old skid steer. Let's see if we can get it running. I'm gonna put the other bucket on it today. Alright, let's see. Oh my God, start right up. There. Oh. I gotta take these forks off. Come on off of there. This is how to change the bucket on these. Ain't no quick with these. Ooh. Come on. Yeah. I don't know if you can see this too good. There's sun out there. Come on. I don't know. You see that? There's sun out there like that. Yeah, let's try over this way. Maybe. Maybe on there. Let's see what happens. pins went in. That's the old way of doing it. They didn't have quick release on these. Yes, yes. Yeah, I had blocks for these things. I don't know. There we go. Well, this old girl, she's been a good machine all the years I had it. Yeah. I figure I put this bucket on and I get some grease all over this thing. It's not a bad machine. It starts when I need it. It's just good for a backup. Good old machine. It's an old Bobcat 444 gas job. I put this Vanguard 23 horse. I stuck that in there, oh, years back, and I made it fit in there. Used to have an own motor into it, And I made this one fit. I made the mounts for it on the bottom. And all it is like a snowmobile. It's got a centrifugal clutch. And it works great. And it always starts when I need it. You know what I'm saying? It's a good machine. Good for backup. I had this for years here. And I picked up many logs with that for the sawmill. I had one on there. Oh, it was huge. It was the biggest oak I ever had. It was bigger than the machine, and it was bigger than 16. Well, I don't know. Maybe it was this size log, but it was bigger around, a lot bigger. I had to keep turning it. But that's how I bent my sawmill. That's why I put all these down here at the bottom. Reinforced the whole thing, put all different runners onto it. I used the old cross braces onto it. And it works. It still works. I love it. So it's not like I'm running out of machinery. I got enough machines around here. So, like I say, you people out there, you all have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and drink lots of beer. Because that's what I'm going to do in a little while. You know, it's 5 o'clock someplace. So you all have a good day. Have a terrific new year. I hope everybody has a terrific new year. And subscribe, thumbs me up, share. I love it. And on this one here, again, I want to say thank you for all you new subscribers I have over the past year. I don't know much more to say, but thank you. Have a good day.